In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable automated replies on Facebook Business Suite. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end, your page can instantly respond to new messages on Messenger, Instagram, or both. This is really useful for acknowledging customers after hours, managing expectations, and saving you time. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages the Facebook page or Instagram profile you want to set up. Once the business suite loads, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In that left-hand column, look for the option labeled Inbox and click on it. This is where all your messages from Facebook and Instagram are collected. It might take a second to load if you have a lot of conversations, so just give it a moment. At the top of the Inbox page, you'll see several tabs. Find the one that says Automations and click on it. This section is where you can create and manage automatic responses for different situations, like instant replies or away messages. On the Automations page, look for the Auto Reply option. Under that, you'll see a button or link that says Try It. Go ahead and click Try It to start setting up a new automated reply template. Next, you'll be asked to choose which channel you want to use this automation for. Here, you can select Messenger, Instagram, or both, depending on where your customers usually contact you. Take a moment to think about your audience, then click on the channel options you want to include. Now you'll see a message field where you can customize the automatic response. Click into that field and edit the text so it sounds like your brand. A good auto reply might thank the person for reaching out, let them know when they can expect a real response, and maybe share a helpful link. You also have the option to add media, such as an image or a short video, but that's completely optional. Keep the message clear and friendly, and try not to make it too long. Once you're happy with your message, scroll down and click on Save Changes. This step stores your new auto reply, but it isn't live just yet. Finally, look at the top of the page for the main toggle switch for this automation. Click the toggle to turn it on. When the switch is active, your automated reply will start sending to new incoming messages on the channels you selected. And that's it. You've now enabled automated replies on Facebook Business Suite.